Hi, I'm Gail from Our Space.
Hi, I'm Peggy from Our Space, and welcome to another one of our craft videos. And we have with us our student intern.
Hi, I'm Carlina.
So Peggy, what are we making today?
Today we're making nature music makers.
Ooh, what's that?
So that is, here's what I made. It's a bottle and it has sticks in it and rice and stones. And you can use it to make different sounds.
Oh, that's so cool.
Nice.
But before we get started, we're going to be doing a breathing exercise. So we're going to have our hands like we're holding one big stick, and we're going to hold that like as we breathe in. We're just going to hold it, and then as we breathe out, we're going to snap our stick in half to put it in our bottle. And we're going to do that 2 times together.
Okay.
So you're going to have it like this, and you're going to breathe in. And then breathe out, you're going to break it. Okay, again, breathe in, breathe out, and then break it.
Great.
All right, it's great. So what supplies do we need for today?
Bottle, sticks, pebbles, beans, rice, things like that.
All right, so we're ready to begin.
Yes.
So I actually had fun this morning going on a little walk on my bike path that's nearby and collecting sticks and different things. So it's a nice day to do this.
Yes.
So anyway, you're going to take your bottle, which can be any type of bottle. Like for my sample, I just did a regular little water bottle. I have a bigger one for this. And then you're going to collect different sticks of different thicknesses, different lengths. And then just like we did in our breathing exercise, you're going to hold it and snap it. You might have to tear it a little bit
Yeah.
to fit inside your bottle.
Okay.
And so you just want to keep adding sticks of different lengths. And then the other thing is you can put in, like I have, when I go to the beach, I'm always collecting like shells and little small rocks. So you can put those inside also. And you can put rice in, or beans, lentils, whatever you have around the house. You don't have to really go out and buy anything. Just use little bits of what you have. So I even had just a little bit of rice in a jar. So I'm going to put some of that in also.
Okay, great. And Carlina, what are you putting in yours?
I'm putting in some sticks I got from my yard. It was also very nice collecting them this morning. And I'm gonna have some rice here as well.
Okay.
And then I also have some dried up tea leaves of tea that I'm not super fond of, so I can just pour it in there.
Great. And I also went on a walk this morning with my dogs and collected some sticks. And I'm going to put in some little pebbles that are in my backyard. And I don't have a funnel, which is one way to put it in the top. So I just rolled a piece of construction paper and I'm going to put it in the top like this. And then you can just drop well, I guess I didn't cut the hole big enough, but I would next time. And I'm going to drop those in. And then these are some flowers that are on their way out. So I'm going to put some petals in there just to make it look pretty.
Oh, cool. That's a good idea.
Yeah, I like that idea.
Thank you. And while we're working on ours, I'm going to tell you a joke that has to do with the tree since we're using branches.
All right, what is it?
Okay. What kind of tree is so small that you can hold it in your hand?
What kind of tree is so small that you can hold it in your hand? I have no idea.
Yeah, what?
A palm tree.
Oh,
Oh,
I like that one.
that's a good one.
Thank you. How's everyone's coming?
Good.
Pretty good.
So I think the more
yeah.
sticks you put in, the easier it is to make the sound, because it kind of takes some time to go through the sticks.
Oh, okay. I have like a little traffic jam at the top because my stick is too tall and the pebbles are getting stuck, so I'm gonna be probably, well, there we go. I guess I needed to just ask it to move, and it moved.
I
But I
also
like-
had, it's kind of like a spice, these cardamom seeds that I don't use often.
Yeah,
So I'm gonna put those in too.
really anything. And I like how these petals are like
Mine's looking like so far.
pretty.
Yeah, I like it. Yeah, I like the color. Yeah.
Yeah, so I'm gonna finish mine later, but let's all put the lid on and just see where we're at so far and see how it makes a little music.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh, I love it.
I do too.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
I have to say, when I put those cardamom seeds in, mine has a nice smell to it also.
I bet it does. Very nice.
Nice.
So thank you for joining us. And if you'd like to see more of our craft videos, you can go to our website at www.ourspacerocks.org. Happy crafting. Bye.
Bye.
Bye.